But it's like 4:30 in the morning here in Florida. Yeah, so I did a little bike check for you guys. I got a Mirraco Velle 2012 model. Not much to talk about. Mostly everything's really stock except for the yeah, everything. But I got dice valve caps. That's pretty cool. I got Vice forks, Vice front purple rim. I got a Vice 20.3 tire in the front, like really huge. Got a 2125 tire in the back and Vice black rim in the back. 20.5 I think top tube. Chromoly. I got a Mission alloy stem. Miami high-rise bars. My checkers right there, yeah. Black label grips and bar ends. Black label pedals and cranks. Oh, my cranks are Vice cranks, I'm sorry, 3-piece cranks. I have a black label steel pegs. A Mirraco one-piece seat combo post thingy, whatever you call it. Wristband. Hold up. A wristband on my seat post. Yeah, bite me. Woo. Yeah, anyways, I have a Vice sprocket. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna get some Aaron Ross grape grips. I ordered them today, so they should be coming in a few days. But yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe.